Okay, so here comes another Adobe Photoshop walkthrough video of mine. So let's get ourselves familiarized with cloning, the clone stamp 2 functionality. So select. Oops, sorry. That's hold Alt key and click in the middle of the banquet. This will set the source, which determines the area of the image that will be cloned. Release the Alt key and click plus drag in a small area above the banquet. The clone stamp 2 will clone the source area onto the area where you drag. Do small areas at a time until you understand what the tool is doing. Release the Alt key and then click again. Click next to try again. Click next to continue, or press Ctrl plus Z to try again. Bravo, you are becoming a Photoshop wizard. So that's basically how we add more flowers. That's it. Easy peasy. That easy. So, well, I didn't actually expect this version of Adobe Photoshop has its embedded tutorials inside. Yeah, that's quite amazing. Yeah.